Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to check storage on Poco M7 Pro. And so yeah, for those of you, if you want to know about the remaining storage or remaining memory on your cell phone and what your cell phone storage is used for, don't need to be worried guys, because you can check the storage easily. And how to do that is very easy, of course. And so yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that you have to do is, of course, now you can go to settings menu on your cell phone like this. Alright, and then after that, now you can click on the top of the settings that is about phone. And then after that, now you can go to storage, and then you can check yourself about the storage space and what it used for. There's a presentation, and this is the information about used storage on your cell phone. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching.